In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to initiate a return request through your SHEIN account and ensure a smooth process from start to finish. Whether your item wasn't quite what you expected or you've simply changed your mind, this guide will help you through the return process, ensuring everything goes smoothly. Let's start with initiating the return request. First, you'll need to log into your SHEIN account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Orders section. Here, you'll find a list of your recent purchases. Locate the item or items you wish to return and click on the corresponding return item option. This will lead you through a brief process where you'll need to select a reason for the return. Take a moment to accurately choose the reason that best matches your situation, as SHEIN uses this information to improve their services. With your return request initiated, it's time to move on to the next step, printing the return label. After you've completed the return request, SHEIN will generate a return label for you. You must print this label as it will contain important information such as the return address and details to track your package. What's convenient is that this label standardizes the return process for the mailing service, making it hassle-free for you and ensuring the package is sent back correctly. Once you've printed the return label, securely pack the item. Ensure that all original packaging and tags are intact to prevent any complications in the return process. Affix the printed label to the package, ensuring it's clearly visible. Now you simply need to drop the package off at the designated mailing service location specified on the label. If your schedule is tight, many services offer convenient drop-off points or even collection services. Now that your package is on its way, the next step is to track the return shipment. SHEIN provides a tracking number, which you'll find on the return label or in the confirmation email they've sent you. Use this tracking number to monitor the package's journey back to SHEIN. This not only gives you peace of mind, but also helps you stay informed about the status of your return. Always keep an eye on the tracking updates to catch any potential delays or issues. Finally, once your package reaches SHEIN and is processed, it's time to focus on the refund. Generally, refunds are processed within a specified timeline, which you can check on SHEIN's current policies. Be sure to review these policies so you have a clear understanding of when to expect your money back. They usually credit the refund back to the original payment method, but if there are any discrepancies, you can reach out to their customer service for assistance. And there you have it, a complete guide to returning an item through your SHEIN account. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth process and keep your shopping experience seamless and worry-free. Thank you for tuning in and happy shopping.